Hi all, in this short video about GenoSurf, I will explain to you how query conditions are combined in the two search parts of the interface. We start from the data search part. We want to select items which are from TCGA and of GRCH8 assembly and either of copy number segment or max copy number segment. In the interface, this is obtained by selecting TCGA, GRCH38, and then in the data type drop-down, we select both masked and copy number segment, which is intended as a disjunction. In the key value part, we instead want to select items which, based on the TNM staging system, have no metastasis and have cancer in the lymph nodes, which means that they are of any stage but N0 and Nx. This can be achieved in the interface in this way. For the metastasis, we need the clinical M stage, and we only want the M0 since they have no metastasis. For the lymph nodes part, we search the clinical N value, which is the second, and we want all of them excluding the N0 and the Nx. So we have all the ones that have lymph nodes. Then we apply. You can see that this query is in conjunction with the second one, and these conditions are in disjunction one with each other.